This one is a little different than yesterday's or the day before, so I wanted to explain the directions. This is for Win page 21. And at the top it says blend the sounds. So draw a picture of the word. And you are going to read each word here at the top. And you are going to draw a picture of that word. When it says blend the sounds, we know that SH says sh. Yep. And then you are also just going to look at each letter, read it, draw the picture. Sorting, color the pictures that belong together, and you're going to read that word, color the pictures that represent that word. Number words. These are 10 frames, right? I may have colored in part of the 10 frame to match the number. And you are going to go down here, read each word that matches its number, and write that word in this rectangle to match which number it goes to. And then take a picture of it on Seesaw for me, please. Remember to pay attention to which Seesaw you are picking to take the picture for this activity. So it should say Win Packet, right? And today is the 27th, so it should have 5/27 for the activity for Win Packet today to take that picture. Good job, kindergarten.